Hi, and welcome back to Everyday Wellness. I'm Jen Thompson, and today I've been busy. I have been making up some meals to make an easy week for a few of my clients. So I wanted to go through and just pretty much share with you how I did it and how easy it can be, because number one trick on meal prep is do not complicate it. Do not overcomplicate it. There's so many things that you can make easily, and then combine some things to make different meals throughout the week. Makes it very much less stressful. And look at this, it's delicious. So let me kind of go through a few of the meals. This one right here, I made up 4 different meals of a Cobb salad. Okay, it's a chicken Cobb salad. Chicken and cut up peppers. I hard boiled some eggs in my Instapot, and I had cherry tomatoes, and I put some barbecue yogurt dressing in there. So yummy. And then I sprinkled it with some sesame seeds just to give a little healthy fat in there. So I made some 4 of those up for my clients. And then I know one of them likes my barbecue chicken, so I made that one up as well. So as I was cooking up the chicken, I made enough to make this meal as well. So I just put some frozen corn and some peppers in there and barbecue sauce. Now you gotta be very careful on your sauces because they can be full of junk. So I picked an organic barbecue sauce. I get it from Kroger, and it works really, really well. And so it's delicious. And then they like to heat that one up. So I just have some salads put together with the dressing, that barbecue dressing there as well. Okay, so simple. 2 of those. Now over here is another hot one. So I have it in some microwavable containers that they will be able to heat this up and throw it onto their salads again. This one's a little special. This is a stuffed sweet potato, right? So there's hamburger and there's some spices and some tomatoes and sweet potatoes all kind of mashed around in there. And then they would heat that up and put it onto their greens. Because really for lunch, I'd really try to get some vegetables in every time I eat. So this gives them a big serving of greens every day. Okay, so again, I'm making this for 2 different people. They're gonna be so excited when they see these. Now, before I get over to these snacks over here, I wanna show my newest salad combination. I think it's beautiful. This is a pomegranate prosciutto salad, and it has feta and peppers on there as well, over a bed of greens with some almonds, and I have a pomegranate yogurt, what's it called? Pomegranate poppy seed yogurt dressing. Okay, so it's so simple. Again, I find these at Kroger, good choices in dressing, and I just put a little side of that on there. They're beautiful, they're well portioned, a lot of good fun flavors in there with all the right nutrients. So I made up 3 of those. And this is one of my hidden little things that I did put on the prosciutto as I heated it up in the skillet. Very fun. Okay, and then I have leftover prosciutto, so I'm gonna make a pizza later, because this was all inspired from a local restaurant that I went to a couple weeks ago, and they had a pomegranate prosciutto pizza. So I'm gonna be making my own pizza crust using almond flour, and I'm gonna enjoy that later with the leftover prosciutto. Okay, so now one of my clients said I could usually use some snacks made up too. No problem, I can do snacks. Snacks are super easy as well, so definitely, again, don't overcomplicate. These are protein bites. It's peanut butter, oats, or I use almond butter, oats, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, honey. I think that's all I put in there today. And so this is actually 2 different servings. So she will be able to take that bag to work and have 2 different snacks. And so I did that twice, okay? Hard-boiled eggs, I had a few of those left over from the Cobb salad, so those are gonna be good for her to take as well. And I know she loves this caprese salad. It's just fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil with some balsamic vinegar on top. So easy, and I found these little easy throwaway containers, so it makes it so simple. Okay, next snack. This is so delicious. This is a chia pudding. Okay, again, it's just in these little serving size, and she can top it with berries or nuts of any sort if she wants, or you can just eat it plain. But it's coconut milk, chia seeds, some vanilla, Shakeology protein powder, vegan, and a little maple syrup. I think that's all. And you just blend it together and it's so delicious and filling and gives you that healthy fat. Okay, so I'm super excited about these meals today, and I'm even more excited because it didn't take me long to put all these together, and I have leftovers. I have chicken leftover for my family. I've got leftover unstuffed sweet potatoes. I got it all here. I have fresh peaches to be throwing together for meals. So don't overcomplicate. Keep it very, very simple. And as long as you're buying these things that are fresh and are healthy and having them in your refrigerator, in your pantry, those are the things you're going to be grabbing, right? So it makes it even easier to be eating healthier. Okay, so number one tip, what was it? Don't overcomplicate. Keep it very, very simple, and the flavors will speak for themselves. All of these things are so delicious and filling because you're eating the right foods. So I hope this helps you. If you want more help and maybe you want me to prepare your meals for you, I'd be happy to. So just send a little message to me and we can make that happen. I also have a cookbook full of these recipes that I make for my family all the time. 54 recipes in my first cookbook, and I'm working on my second. So simple, healthy, well portioned, just to make life simpler. So I hope you enjoyed today and that you maybe picked up a few tricks that you could be doing to make your meals a little easier for your busy weeks ahead. Thanks for joining today. I hope that you subscribe to this channel and you'll get my videos alerted to you as soon as I make them. And give me any suggestions on what video you'd want me to do next. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Thanks for joining.